Let's start off with how we will see everything. Last year, here at Beyond, we unveiled the first AI Multicam, which helped us see fully around the vehicle. And this has truly changed the game in terms of preventing crashes, especially in tight urban spaces where there can be lots of pedestrians. And since then, you've asked us, what can we do to make visibility even better? Like, what would the next level of the AI Multicam look like? And I'm excited to show you what we come up with. So take a look at the truck over there. We've outfitted it with 4 new types of cameras, one of each side. So that instead of 4 separate feeds, the AI has actually taken these 4 cameras and stitched them together. So the driver gets to see a perspective from above, like a bird would see it. And this is what that looks like. Here on screen, what you're seeing is what the driver sees right inside of that truck. The driver gets this stitched together view right inside of the cab. And this gives the driver the full visibility of everything that is going on around on the vehicle. And they get this in this single place. And of course, by the way, these cameras, they have AI inside of them, right? So I want to showcase this to you. And to help with this, let's bring in Aditya and Evan over there. Thanks. And now, as they approach the vehicle, they're visible to the driver on the screen. But as you can see around them right now, they're green boxes. That means that they are not in danger. But as they get closer to the vehicle, the AI detects them as being at risk and alerts the driver. In particular, as you now see them starting to move around the vehicle, you can see how the AI keeps track of them. And with that view, the driver can quickly grasp where they are relative to the vehicle, because everything is projected into this single picture from above. And that's what true, complete visibility looks like. So thanks, Evan and Aditya, for doing that. And we call this bird's eye view. And it gives you that extra set of eyes that you need in incredibly tough to maneuver vehicles like school buses, box trucks, yellow iron, and much more. And I'm really excited to let you know that this will be available by the end of this summer.